the metro to Sherbrooke Station and walk to Saint Laurent Boulevard in search of street art. In June of every year, there is a mural festival, which is the largest festival of its kind in North America. In August as well, Montreal's Latin Quarter hosts a graffiti festival. The street art in Montreal is forever changing, but the big commission murals remain and are expanded upon every year. Very colorful. Is like a super artsy area filled with murals, so we're gonna try to see what we can see. Hey, Niagara! The box is Niagara. There's a little guy this way. Those creatures over there are cool too.
Yeah.
And then there's a Mickey Mouse over there. Well, and a Mario on fire. That's the guy from Great Mouse Detective, isn't it? That's Ratigan. Oh yeah, and there's the little back guy. And then the wall tells you up there to make some noise. Oh, look at all these creatures. Pretty cool. I want to take a lot of pictures. Wow. But who can find the time? Get it? Little guy here too. There's a lot of really cool things. Everywhere, eh? There's street art everywhere.
Yeah.
These are jam. It's reminding me of Belfast. Is it just me or the pink hippos? Terrifying though. The skull smiley? Oh, little cute guy in here. Hunting for street art is one of my favorite things to do in cities. So cute.
We're some tired people about to try some tiny French beers.
We went to a little convenience store in Saint Laurent, I think that's what it's called. Maybe not. The place where we saw the street art. And we bought a bunch of cool beers. So we're going to try this guy, which is...
This one is a stout.
Yeah.
It's 5.8%. It comes in a purple can. It makes that noise when you open it. It smells very rich. Tastes pretty rich, but it's really good. Would you like to try it?
Sure. Wow. Yeah, that tastes like chocolate. So this is a saison made with green tea, I think. My eye is twitching uncontrollably because I'm tired. It smells delicious. Yeah, that's really good. You should try it.
Okay. What if instead of sleep, from now on, we just have beer?
No.
Oh, that's much better.
Much better.
You win this beer game. Oh, then the rich one.
And sleep? You crazy?
Mwah.